Every little girl's dream is to someday wear a sparkling crown. I can't believe it's been a year already. I am truly happy to return to the place where my journey began, being crowned as Daycare Little Queen 2024 at such a young age. I am truly grateful for this opportunity. Today, I will be passing this crown to my cousin as Daycare Little Queen 2025. Therefore, I would like to take this time to thank first and foremost God Almighty, who showered me lot of blessing to my family. Thank you for this wonderful experience. I extend thanks to my family, relatives, friends, and to Teacher Joanne, who in one way supported me, to my Mama Carmen, Lola Ernie, Michelle, Daddy Joel, Mami Jare, Yeye, Kuya Jazz, and Ate Nika. Thank you for the love you have given me. To my mommy, no word can explain how much you mean to me. And to my number one fan, my daddy, thank you for always supporting me. I love you all, and I cannot thank you enough for making my dream a reality. As I take my final walk today, once again, I am Aziza Sara Eldin Amin, your Daycare Little Queen 2024.